Kevin. You take him on what? Hold on there. You take him on tattoo them. You take him on vice. You use him on in everywhere. I don't want to give him.
May I represent for one Media Fox?
Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock. Media Fox, Media Fox. Trending, nah stop. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest report them.
Yes, people, you don't know Media Fox, you know. Yeah, man. Yo, big up everybody, you know. People, please drive safe out there. Me out drive on the road. Too much accident, me out see. Too much. People, drive safe. Worst if you have kids in the car, you understand? But respect to everybody. You see me, big up all nation. You don't know. Yeah, man, we're there, man. And come for talk about. I don't know. I tell you, say, I don't know if the Gaza man them on a campaign or something with Alkaline to rot it. I don't know what really are going. I think after 11 years, this copy thing and all of them look something there. I don't know what Alkaline have to do if we make them money or can go in bed and sleep. I tell you people, yeah man, I tell you. I don't know what happened. Because them boss forward out and tell them say, yo, Alka can't do nothing to feed him career and him can't do nothing to Alkaline. So I don't really know what really are going on with them man. Same way. You understand? Because I don't know what this brother you talk about. I don't know. Something really wrong with him, you know. I feel like some of them people here, them have mental illness, you know. Yeah man, them need to recheck themselves, you understand? Because this man here gonna say, yo, one bag of thing about man vice and man skin and all sort of thing. One bag of something, man watch. Man a copy this aware too, watch and ray and this, that. Which we know Kartel did lock up. So and Alkaline been wearing watch like that to watch before him father road, so I don't know. But it show you know, some of the time, you see when we are pre this, I feel like the man them really bad mind Alkaline, you know. You know why? Because at the end of the day, they are gonna get up and say, yo, he's very successful. But we still want him prep up Kartel. I don't understand. And that me I wonder. And on the other side, them will come out and say, yo, Alkaline need to mingle with him fans and ray. Which them a say, he might copy this man. So how you go force a youth to do what this man do? But you don't say he might copy him and copy him style. I don't understand it. We're not supposed to tell the man that. Zane? But want to know pre-piece of that clip of people.
Kevin. You take him on what? Hold on there. You take him on tattoo them. You take him on vice. You use him on in everywhere. I don't want to give him no credit. I like creamy use or something. Everything I do, him do. I don't want to give him no credit. See?
Yo, man, I tell you people, yo, them man are different. Yo, man, I tell you, them guys over there, we have a laugh every time with the people, you see it? Yeah, man, we take them as a laughing stock, man, you see me? Because when them say Alkaline use all cream and all of them look something, yo, them man, because them man love man, you know, dog. I tell you, people. Because me couldn't, like, bro, how much years now I go have this? Look like when I carry this in a grave. That me I wonder. Is it, I don't know. When this comparison thing, I never know what Kartel invent wearing two watch. Because remember this, you know, people, the same Gaza sign, you know. Zine, the same Gaza sign where them put up. Zine, where do you think them get that from? In America, the West Coast them. At this them get the Gaza sign from. But nobody now beat them. Where I beat them for? You understand? Someone don't know what is the problem, like wait, Vybz Kartel that bleach, the first man for bleach on earth. That more I know. More I know that people. Like some of the time them money now make no sense. I tell you. Cause for you always get up and say all of them madness and all of them look at something. It's like I tell you, the man them really know them feelings, people. Brother, I wanna go find something else, the man. We don't want to look at you about to a big man. For what? We don't keep on and say copy style, but Kartel not own copyright to them something, yeah? Like I saw small-minded. Eh? I saw small-minded. Because it's like for years and now bad, yo, Alkaline for come give credit. Yo, Alkaline for come do this. Do what? If you come give credit for what? The man say respect every other artist. You understand him? Respect artists. So what the problem? Is Vybz Kartel an artist? Or Matum artist? I don't that more know. You understand? Because it's showing to say, yo, I don't know. You need to get in the brain, bro. You need to get in the brain, dog. We don't know what not try talk. We're not going like say Kartel invent everything in our world. When you come down now, man, come down now. You see it? Come down now, man. You see me? Because, yo,
I think nobody never say Alkaline is successful, but him now in your Kartel youth.
You see, the problem with the Alkaline fans, don't listen.
Yeah, I'm out to the moment I come in, I'm going to suck bomb up Alkaline.
I'm not busy when nobody wants about Alkaline, you know. Alkaline is a very successful artist. Him having money, him a good.
When I just see the clip a while ago, Jano, may I tell you, them guys are man, they can't sleep, you know. May I tell you, they can't sleep. We don't know them keep on a compare and all of them look something there with a man in a game for 30 years and a youth we are doing 11 years now, like. No, sir. I don't know what I really wrong with them man, people. I tell you, I don't really know what with them man. I tell you. Because it come like, I don't know. It come like they want Alkaline bow for so they can sleep in peace. I tell you. Look how much artists they run Kartel. Look how much artists they run Kartel. And the man them can't satisfy. Can't satisfy. You understand? The man them can't satisfy. You see me? And look on the video after man. After this man did a bash man, you know. Zine. Look when come out come say.
This was a good turnout. Yes, he did a good performance. Yes, he did what he had to do. Yes, he got an award. Great. But Pussy sang them. And the song me did a talk about when me tell about the song. I wanna go like say, oh no, see what me a talk about. Yeah. The artist did what he have to do. And he's a good artist. Me never take that from him. It can look like man a take away the greatness what the artists them do from them because uno want to make it look like if somebody else out there say a burn out artist. We not burn out the artist them. When me see something, when me see say uno nah push, me I go talk about when me see say uno nah.
Tell the people. You see all Popcaan? Popcaan not trouble, you know. Me tell you, them Gaza people there, you know. See, you have a good Gaza fans them. We have sense and you have one them with dunce. You understand? Yeah man. Them not no sense. Look, one bag of man they on live. Zine. A bad mind and you. One tell look juvie if you bow down to a man. If you say, yo, are you do this and ray and all of them look something there. I don't know what kind of style. You know what I talk about. I don't know what kind of style. Cause it's like you forgot. You understand? You say the youth successful. But at the end of the day, you say, yo, youth for compare homage and ray, this, that. Bro, it's true when you say, yo, you bad mind, you know. You not talk about people a bad mind Kartel. You know bad mind Alkaline for years. You know bad mind Alkaline for years. You see it? Years you not do that. Cause so-called bad mind when I talk for Kartel, Kartel not get no bad mind. People just say them opinion. Because you not prep up things that not make no sense. You see it? But people, look where them brother have to say about Popcaan thing.
You know, say what Papi do? And you say Papi, all them status, you know.
Yeah man, start
Papi, all them status, you know. Papi, make sure when the band come out, you know, link back the boss, you know, because you know, say, if you never go against that, you know, brother. All them big, you must shrink to, you know, bro.
Boy, I tell you, you know. Them Gaza fan, you know. Me see why right now, the man them, it look like Gaza fan them kind of left Popcaan side or something, you know. Because this man you go say, you know, see the Popcaan have to work with the program. Else, if he never do that, problem would have reached him. You see the bow down mentality. You see what me talk about people? Imagine, you know, the man them say if Popcaan never link back with Kartel, what would have happened? You see it? You see it? For sure you say, yo, nobody no see if at all who say Gaza. I tell you, this bow down mentality, me don't know where the money are did, dog. You see it? Me don't know where the money are did, brother. But then now we get Alkaline to do that. You see, guys, like, to me, like, you don't want to hold on youths. You don't want to hold on youths' career. Nobody know if it do them thing and do them own thing. You don't want the artists them put them career at one man foot. And that you don't want. You understand? And that you don't really want. Because it don't make no sense. You see me? Because I hold on and talk. All I one day name Kevin, I don't know wrong with him, you know, because he my cheerleader for Kartel, you know. Every day him get up him chat one bag of nonsense. You see, but film time soon coming, you know. Yeah man, then soon forget about him, man. Just wait. Because him not really have no brain, you know. You see man them well loud and get up and chat every day. They not no brain. If you listen to him, you know, say he don't really have no sense. You see it? Because you go say a man, through a man wear 2 watch, you say man I use man cream, man I use man vice. You say what? Because I know say Alkaline and Kartel not sound the same. I'm sure that they not sound the same at all. Are 2 different personality, are 2 different style of man. So I don't know who not try. And you know why over years people them compare Kartel and Alkaline? You know why?
Your eyeball and you accept and willingly say you did and you did it to get attention.
Yeah.
He went as far as saying
Which other artist in the dancehall space was brave enough, otherwise apart from him, to do certain things?
I can't think of any.
So that's why I guess there's a comparison. So would you give that artist copyright to courage? I think that's what you're doing.
No, I'm not doing that.
And controversy.
No. I'm just asking.
Because them say, yo, this are the thing, you know. If you have a man where do a thing and the next youth come and do more as a little juvie and say, yo, what them I go try do? Them I go try say, yo, this a man I take this a style of it. For try even up him thing, for try water down him thing. You see me? So that's why you see them come up with this copy and rare thing. Just because Alkaline has a juvie, brave up, and I didn't own a thing and no bow to the man. And that's why. You see me? And that's why you see them try compare and all of them make something there. Because what them want to suppress the youth by saying, yo, him copy this and this and man a rare. Same like what them do the other artists, and the other artists them come out and say, yo, Gaza are rare. I see him suppression. Them no business. Same like what them say, yo, a while ago with Popcaan thing. Yo, them say, yo, if Kartel come out and Popcaan never link him up, what would happen to him and what would happen to him career? And you see me? For sure, it's a bow down mentality. You see it? And that's why when him found out a road from prison, them say, yo, the artists, them not going with nothing. No song, not drop. You understand? That is it, you know. Because them don't really care about the artists, them will give them strength, you know. You see it? Them not care. So, and that them want Alkaline to do now. If you come give Kartel props, if you then suppress him thing. You understand? But Alkaline do him own a thing. Alkaline now meds them. You know this Alkaline scene and lane, you know, really company social media and all of them because something the people. You realize? But look on the other thing of people with a brother you say.
Hold on, brother. Alkaline ever charge money where? How do you charge it? How much on the fucking money?
No, man, we can't put Alkaline. We can't. I never said that, I never said that.
No, I'm not talking you.
No, I comment to dog attack, man.
Not talking you, brother. Sorry. Alkaline never charge money where Kartel charge it? No. Now the whole I artists them get have the road for them way. Them could have charged money where they charge. Right or wrong? You don't believe that? No. You can't do it.
The brother you go say, yo, if Alkaline a charge with Kartel a charge, no. Zine? And I don't know. You see, some time I talk, I say, yo, Vybz Kartel have the wrong set of fans, you know. I tell you, because they don't really know nothing about music. They don't know about supporting the music. All them do accompany internet and try to bring down artists and try to put out some done script or something. You understand? Them don't really have no sense. Is it? Because he might go say, yo, if Alkaline a charge or Vybz Kartel a charge. But this may have to say, people, how much Vybz Kartel did a charge before him go prison? The last time me know, when Vybz Kartel he come out with the Leng thing, see? And him say, yo, Leng must charge him. Him charge a mil, Jamaican. And Leng give him the other half. So, yeah, put it about $1 million. See? Alright. Vybz Kartel go prison for 13 years and forward out back. He might charge, I don't know, maybe about $1 million US or two. Right? Remember, you know. Look on the gap. Right? A man usually charge a 1 mil. See? I counter back on the show where the half when the Alkaline. See? Because I know back then, before Kartel go prison, Kartel was not charging $1 million US. And there is no proof of that. According to what them say. Right? So, oh no, an artist with their road for 13 years for charge so much money when them see him every day. See? Alkaline we have been do shows, him have him own shows, new rule, everything. See? Them see him, but them not see him if you don't understand. Him not really depend on the media, one time them see him like when him doing shows them. See? So, this Vybz Kartel charging this and that and way, right? Before Kartel go prison, Kartel never charge no millions of dollars for do no shows. It's million in Jamaican. He might maybe charge million in the US, but this is the problem. How long him go charge so much money? When him thing start go back in the industry where him do beer shows and way. You understand? The reason why Kartel can charge so much money in the US right now is because he was behind bars. These dons, some of them dons Gaza fan. Cause you have one of them bright. See him? When you keep on bringing up this Kartel charge this and Kartel charge that. Kartel was not charging no how much in US. You understand? Before him go prison. It was $1 million Jamaican or so. So now go on like say before Kartel go prison do that charge $1 million US or whatsoever way man get. You not go on like, you understand, like, bro, you not compare artists who lock up for 13 years with artists where they are road. You not must expect say the anticipation go more upon Kartel side because them never see him. You understand? Them never see him. Them must see the other artists them do shows all over the world. Them never see Kartel, them never see Vybz Kartel. Worse, Vybz Kartel have not been in the United States for about maybe 20 years now. You understand? So, I don't understand how comes we not try compare what Kartel get with artists who been traveling to the US. You understand? And that more know. Because it don't make no sense. So them money they pan TikTok thing, I chat one bag of nonsense. I don't know what they matter about. What they matter about. Because rather than them go support them artist music, them prefer I talk about Alkaline and what Alkaline fi do. Alkaline fi bow, Alkaline fi give credit, Alkaline fi do this. You understand? Some people say Alkaline fi give flowers. Me say wait, me never know say Alkaline turn flowers giver now. Me not understand. Me not understand. Look how much artists read Kartel and not even forward and say yo, nothing about Kartel or where. You understand? Me not understand that. You know what the problem is? Enough of them money I know, and enough of these artists can't do nothing without supporting. That's the problem. So the easier way is to big up a man, give credit to a man. Zine, Alkaline said the artist them great. Alkaline said the man is a great artist. I don't know what else you no want. You not try to pull Alkaline in a trap. This bowing mentality. Zine, we have come back from where then? You still want to force the youths them to do it. You understand? And if the youth them not do it, them not get no strength. But Alkaline don't need no strength.
In the music business, when we look upon it, right, it's like was a generation of people who was fighting for the music to get a publicity in the music. Everybody did have somebody who then say, yo, I'm a general, or this I'm an icon. See me? In the time when Alkaline, me I know about him and hear about him, me like him soul, I like him song them, me like him concept, me think he was a part of a crew. But when I find out, I say he was like a single person. I remember in the music business, nobody never want to let him in around. I don't know if the guys I didn't want to let him in or what happened, I don't know. But to me, it was a struggle for him. So him said in himself, no man help me, I'm alone. So even let me sing like somebody, nobody not own no style. I just sing like them. So me, and if I tattoo myself and tattoo myself, nobody don't own tattoo of me. I just my concept, I don't know if that's belief. I'm not go by my man, I'm my own man. Me, no man no bigger than me, I'm a God. You get me, I say, no man.
You no matter how no fight and this and that, you know make the youth get stronger because you depend on the name every day. Alkaline depend on the name. You see it? Alkaline depend on the name, you know? Right now now stress out. I tell you no. Some of them guys are money are stress out right now. You hear them I say Alkaline successful, right? Remember you know. If you check out most of the artists them with this Kartel, nothing no go on for them. See? And the so-called artists when they say Alkaline, where this Kartel copy this way. Him are the most successful one. See? Where them would I say yo, too tight with Kartel or where them say would not this Kartel and all of them something. Him are the most successful one. For sure yo. Say look here, the man do him own a thing. The man don't need, he need him fans them. You understand? But I want to know hear what that brother say. Zine, but it's like them man depend upon man them can't listen, man them not listen nothing. It's like them sheep brain turn on. Yo, Alkaline for bow, Alkaline for come give credit. Yo, Alkaline for come kiss man ring. Alkaline for come do this, Alkaline for come do that. Wow, imagine people pre this. 11 years now, you know. And I see him topic coming up. You see him topic. You not even could have make Vybz Kartel rest in an interview them. Eh? You not even could have make him man rest in an interview them. See? The man them still a stress out after 11 years. The man them can't move on. Jano. Gaza fans don't go see even the artist. Go and go listen to man music right now. What I'm to when he shows them stop, come and repeat. Cause right now in prime and him a do him thing, him shows them now. See? Him a do him tour all over the world. When him come back a yard now and fi start the music, I open already for support the artist. You understand? I open already. Cause right now when I do, I drop back some new video with him in it with some old song right now. Zane, I open and start dropping song, I'm gonna go support. You understand? And stop make Alkaline stress you know. When I make Alkaline stress you know too much. It's like when you hear Alkaline, it's like you have to call in for some doctor appointment because you stress out. Blood pressure too high. Yeah man people. You see it. Look how much great artists out there. Great artists. But think say man them would have call some other artist name or something. And them say Alkaline fall off, you know do nothing. So I don't know how comes in name upon them brain. I tell you people. I tell you. When the artist there road, don't talk about that man. You understand? Because more not try bring down Alkaline thing. And more youth to get powerful. It's like you don't realize, you know. So everything are gonna make sense soon. You see it? Everything are gonna make sense soon, people. You see it? Because them not understand, you know. You see it? Them not understand at all. You see me? But people don't know when media facts, you know. Yeah man, now just a reason and talk about them. Some of them guys are man, they're not no brain people. No brain them not have. You understand? Yeah man, no brain. You see it? But you don't know. Yeah man, media facts man. That is it.